forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, jump. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now today we are at the Kingston Logistics Centre and we will be taking a tour of this container home. This is a 2-bedroom container home and 4 months ago Kingston Logistics Centre officially launched Container Home Solutions. Now they have a number of options which include 1-bedroom homes, 2-bedroom homes and 3-bedroom homes. There is a standard offer and an ultra offer, with the ultra offer offering more space. Now all units are insulated and include ceramic tilings, and you have the option of adding extra features such as glass railing or solar paneling, as you can see in this photo of the model unit. We are going to be touring this unit, but just a little bit more information before we start the tour. Now, according to Kingston Logistics Centre, the containers have more than a 30-year lifespan. So that's some important information to note. And the prices that we're going to be showing today are for the basic and ultra models. Now, if you want to add any extras, then that's going to be an additional cost, and the Kingston Logistics Centre are working with a number of companies to provide things such as solar panels, balcony rails, AC and furnishes, which are an additional cost as previously mentioned. Okay, let's have a look at the model unit, and then after the model unit, guys, we're going to have a look at some of the other units, the specifications, the sizes, the costs, and also payment options for those people who are interested. Now, the model unit that we are going to be touring today is called the Madonna. It consists of a 40-foot, one 40-foot and one 20-foot container. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, has a living space. It's 480 square feet and it's priced at 8.5 million Jamaican dollars. So this unit is classed as the ultra unit because it also includes the balcony rail with the glass and the solar panel. Right, let's have a look at some of the other units, the specifications and the prices. So the first one is called the Stratum, and the Stratum is a 1-bedroom unit. So this 1-bedroom is a 20-foot container home. It's 160 square feet. It's currently priced at 2.3 million Jamaican dollars, has a studio design, 1-bedroom kitchen bathroom, amenities, heat retardant insulation, ceramic tiles, drywall interior, wooden cupboards, and plumbing and electrical outlay. There is provision for AC, but of course AC is not included. Also not included is the upper deck, lower deck, balcony, and of course if you would like those things, they come at an additional cost. Next, we have the twin stratum, which is also a 1-bedroom, but this container home is made with 1 40-foot container, so bigger than the strata home we've just looked at. This home includes 1 bedroom with closet, kitchen, bathroom, ceramic tiles, drywall interior, provision for AC of course. This is priced at 3.8 million and is 320 square feet. Again, for the extras like the roof, decking, the balcony, that's an additional cost. Next, we have the mod. Now, the mod consists of 2 bedrooms. It's a 40-foot container home, 320 square feet, priced at 4.1 million Jamaican dollars. Studio design including 2 bedrooms with closet and kitchen and bathroom. Now this unit is the Madonna, and this unit is what we had a look at as part of the model unit. Now the Madonna, as seen in the model unit, is a 2-bedroom. It consists of 1 40-foot container and 1 20-foot container. Total size 480 square feet, priced at 8.5 million Jamaican dollars. Includes 2 bedrooms with closets, kitchen, bathroom, living space, and dining nook. The amenities are there, and of course extra prices for things like the solar, balcony rails, etc. Now just a point to note, guys, that even though the container sizes and the square footage is there, it's important to note that a standard container is actually 8 foot wide and 8.5 feet tall. Okay, so 8 feet wide and 8.5 feet tall is a standard container height and width. Next, we have the Imperial, which consists of 3 bedroom. It's made up of 2 40-foot containers, comes with a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, laundry room, home office, and 3 closets. It's sized at 640 square feet and costs 10 million Jamaican dollars. The next one, and unfortunately I don't have a separate picture for this one, but the Twin Imperial is also a 3-bedroom. It consists of 2 40-foot containers and 1 20-foot container, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, laundry room, storage area, 3 closets, and is 800 square feet. And these are priced at $12 million. Now here you'll find some additional information about the different units, the specs, and the prices, what's included and what's not included. Completion times and payment requirements are as follows. So for a typical unit like this model unit, the Madonna, it typically takes between 8 to 12 weeks to complete, and the process to get you started, what you'll need is a down payment of 50% 50% deposit up front. Once the project reaches halfway or the halfway mark, another 25% of the payment is required, and then upon completion the remaining 25% is due. Guys, if you are interested or you want to find out some more information, all of the details on who to contact will be coming up now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.